I have to quit. I can't do this anymore. It's not good for me. I'm done. What's happening, all you wonderful people out there in YouTube land? Today, I'm going to talk about a couple decisions I made in my life. One was a very long time ago. So, back when I was 14 years old, everybody in my family, my mom, my dad, my sister, they all smoked cigarettes. So my mom had let my sister start smoking at 14 years old. So I figured she let my sister start smoking at 14 years old, I can start smoking at 14 years old. So, you know, when I turned 14, I said to my mom, I said, well, you let her do it, you gotta let me do it. So, lo and behold, 14 years old, I started smoking. Now, I started smoking because everybody around me smoked. And back in the day, man, it was cool to smoke. You was a cool mofo, man. You had a pack of smokes in your pocket, lighting that bitch up. So I smoked for a lot of years. When I got married, my wife, she didn't smoke. When I had a child, I actually quit smoking. My son was born in April of '96. I quit smoking New Year's Eve of '95. And quit smoking for a full year plus, year 4 months. I started smoking again right after my son turned 1. Why I did it, I have no idea. So I continued to smoke. I tried again to stop smoking, and I tried with the patches that back then you had to be prescribed by your doctor for. So I tried using them, and for whatever reason I was allergic to the glue they use in the patch, and it would leave, like, I'd have welts for days after using, you know, wherever part of my body I placed the patch at, I would have welts for days. So between that and the stress of what was transpiring in my life at that time, I started smoking again. And I continued to smoke for many, many years afterwards. My wife would ask me to smoke. My son would ask me when I was going to quit. You know, and this went on for some time. I got to a point where I have to quit. I can't do this anymore. It's not good for me. I'm done. I said that to myself. And once I said that to myself, it clicked in me that I'm going to quit smoking. So I picked up Nicoderm CQ patches. I said, you know what, let me give these a try. Been a lot of years since I tried the last patch, so let me try these. So think it's like a 3-step program. I don't even remember. I went through a step and a half, and it worked. So I am literally coming up on my 10th anniversary of quitting smoking, which for me is a huge milestone. Yeah, I never thought I would make it a year, but I'm at 10. And I remember smoking my last cigarette. I was at one of my son's baseball games, and I had known I had bought the patches. I had known this was my last pack of cigarettes, and I went behind the bleachers. I lit up the cigarette, and that was the last cigarette I've smoked for 10 years. I got to tell you, it was easier, a lot easier than I thought it would be. You know, sad to say, I was a 2-pack a day guy. You know, I'd stop every night at the Wawa. It's a Pennsylvania, Jersey thing if you don't know. And I'd buy 2 packs of smokes and coffee. So for me to be able to quit as easy as I did, it was a shocker for me. So if you're looking to quit smoking, they should make me a sponsor. They should give me a sponsorship for this shit. But if you're looking to quit smoking, look into Nicoderm CQ, the patches. They work for me, and I was a hardcore smoker. But it's also something you gotta want to do for yourself. So, like I said, if you're looking to quit, try them out. It might work for you. Hopefully they will, if that's what you're looking to do. Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to end this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to comment down below. You know where to do it at. If you are not subscribed, please feel free. And if you hit that little bell, you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Beautiful day out here. Everybody's out walking through Valley Forge Park, getting their little exercise in. So, alright guys, until next time, stay safe, love one another, peace. Can't speed off because of traffic.